Hey y'all, welcome to Socialite Mink Lash channel. I'm Ariel, but most people call me Stone. I'm a hairstylist and makeup artist.
And I'm AJ. Most people call me AJ. I'm Aujanae. Most people call me AJ. I'm a hairstylist and I'm a lash technician. I've been in this business for about 15 years now. So we're very knowledgeable about what we're getting into.
I want to say this was the perfect project for us because we know what you guys are looking for. I've been doing makeup now for almost 10 years, and I've been a hairstylist even longer than that. And I kind of have a lot of insight on what most women are looking for in lashes. Different women like different styles of lashes. Some ladies like very dramatic lashes, and some ladies like very natural lashes that doesn't really look like you're doing too much, maybe looks like you just have a little mascara on. So basically we've come up with a line of mink lashes that doesn't overwhelm you with too many styles, but at the same time we have a style of lash for every woman.
Right.
So today I am wearing After Party. So After Party is the style of lash that's on the more dramatic side of lashes that we have. We have two sort of dramatic types. But this one is shorter towards the inside and it gradually goes longer and darker towards the end. So this one is After Party.
And I'm wearing Day Party. Day Party is a very flirty, kind of spiky look. It can be day, but you can also wear it at night if you're someone who doesn't want too much drama. This is my favorite because it's not too much for me. I'm more of the,
We're a little more reserved
right.
and conservative. And I don't know if you guys can see, but we have so many videos and pictures to show you guys of these lashes, but they're super fluffy at the same time. I don't know if you guys have ever been searching for a lash that's not just 2D, like just a straight lash. These lashes have several layers. They're like 3 and 4D, you guys. So there's several layers. So if you're looking at it from the side and from the front, they're really fluffy. And that's the part about all 4 styles of these lashes that I absolutely love, is that we handpick the ones that give you that very fluffy, very soft, very high-end type of look.
Right.
Very high-end type of look.
And they closely resemble eyelash extensions, which is something that everybody's into right now. And for the ladies that can't wear eyelash extensions, this is perfect for you. And for those of you who wear eyelash extensions, because I do sometimes as well, if you want a little bit more drama at night but not so much during the day, this lash goes perfectly with your eyelash extensions as well. And we'll have a video to teach you how to apply them with extensions or without.
Yeah.
Plenty of how-to videos.
Plenty of how-to videos. So that's another thing about Socialite Mink Lash. We wanted to empower you guys to be able to apply the lashes on your own. I know a lot of women feel like, I don't want to buy the lashes. I don't know how to apply them. But lash extensions is too much upkeep and costs too much money. Don't even worry about it. Essentially, you're saving money. These lashes last up to 30 uses, you guys, with proper care.
Right.
So that's the thing I like about them too. The quality is insane, you guys. And like I said, we're going to have so many how-to videos on every social media outlet, including here on YouTube. And I think you guys are going to find them very helpful. So the 4 styles of lashes that we have is 9 to 5, which is probably our most conservative lash. It's a shorter lash, has a little bit of fluffiness to it, but it's extremely natural. So for those women that want a very natural look, you will love 9 to 5. And then we have Day Party, which is what she's wearing.
Yes, the ones that I have on right now.
Yeah, that's Day Party. So as you can see, it has a little bit of spikiness to it, but at the same time, it's very fluffy and flirty. And then we have Nightlife. Nightlife is actually my favorite pair. Right. They're extremely fluffy, you guys. And then they're kind of dark. So it gives you sort of a dramatic look, but at the same time, they're really flirty because you see all the 3 and the 4D layers of fluffiness. I absolutely love them. I wear them during the day. Plenty of drama. I wear them during the day as well, but Some women ain't gonna do that, but they're very cute, you guys. I can't wait for y'all to see them. Yeah. And then the last pair that we have is After Party, which is what I'm wearing now. Sort of dramatic, darker than what Day Party is. They're shorter in the middle and gradually go longer and darker towards the end. So those are the 4 styles of Socialite, Mink, Lash.
We came up with the name Socialite, Mink, Lash because we wanted to appeal to our women like us, everyday women that go to work, go to happy hour, go hang out with your friends, go to the club, go to bars, just the everyday woman, the woman that lives every day just like we do.
Yeah. Professional woman, but at the same time know how to have fun, likes to go out and enjoy herself.
Right.
And the majority of our clients, I feel like, is like that. So we felt like Socialite, Mink, Lash was the perfect name.
Says it all.
Yeah, not only for us, but for our clients as well.
Right.
And you guys. So you guys are going to love it because it fits y'all's lifestyle. We've been working on this project, you guys, for about a year now. Yeah. I think we started the process December of last year.
Yeah.
November or December of last year. So it's been about a year. There's been a lot of behind the scenes stuff going on with the business plan and all kind of different aspects of that, which you guys, we're going to let you guys in on a lot of that. We've been vlogging a lot. So our channel is not only going to be these type of videos and how-to videos, but you'll be able to see a lot of the behind the scenes, us kicking it, us going to our business meetings, and just basically we want to bring you guys along with us as we journey through creating this business and getting everything going.
Right.
So we're not going to tell you guys the launch date yet, but it's going to be at the beginning of 2019. Please follow us on social media, you guys. Instagram is at Socialite, Mink, Lash. What's your Instagram?
Look Like Studio.
Yeah, so she's at Look Like Studio and I'm at Rolling with Stone. Yeah, that's it. This is Socialite, Mink, Lash, you guys. Please subscribe to our channel so you can see more how-to videos and a lot of different makeup looks using the lashes. If you have any video ideas that you wanted us to create for you guys, don't hesitate to leave it down below. So until next time, y'all.
Peace.